In chaos, we often seek answers, but the real answers are actually hidden in our hearts. Does the pain and confusion in life make you feel helpless? In the process of constantly pursuing happiness, have you forgotten the ability to talk to yourself? Find strength in the depths of the heart, cross the low tide, and welcome the dawn of life. Life is like a boat, drifting in the unknown ocean. When the fog covers, the direction is no longer clear. When we stop chasing, sit quietly in the harbor in your heart, the light that belongs to us will emerge quietly. All the troubles and pain stem from the persistent pursuit of the outside world. When we learn to return to our hearts and accept our own imperfections, we can find a perfect answer from it. Darkness is not eternal, it is just the absence of light. Lost is not a desperate situation. It is the starting point of departure. When we are willing to stare at our wounds, those painful memories, it will turn into nutrients that nourish the soul. Pain is a kind of alarm bell, reminding us to return to the present and readjust our direction. Only by accepting the trauma of the past can we truly live freely and joyfully. The wind and rain in life are the nourishment for our growth. Loss and fear teach us the meaning of strength. When we learn to accept ourselves, it can turn weaknesses into strength. Bloom extraordinary light in the ordinary. Everyone has a unique value. To accept oneself is to embrace the whole universe. Every fall is a sharpening of the soul. Every rebirth is a deeper connection with the true self. When we know how to be grateful for those adversity, darkness will turn into an enlightening light. Adversity is a precious gift from life, which teaches us introspection and growth. Every scar is the imprint of life. Every tear is an opportunity to purify the soul. When we no longer resist, but embrace our pain, only then will we understand that the pain is actually the catalyst for growth. Pain is like fire, which can burn all persistence, but it can also refine the purest power. As long as there is light in your heart, you can be reborn from the ashes. Sometimes, the most difficult thing is not to move forward, but to stop and face your true self. Listen to the voice deep in your heart. That is the beginning of courage and the beginning of healing. Only by stopping the hurried pace can we see the true face of life, so as to move towards hope and rebirth. When the night is the deepest, the dawn is not far away. When the difficult situation is the most difficult, the light in the heart is more dazzling. As long as we don't give up moving forward, every step is approaching the endless light. When we are not bound by the darkness, the light is born naturally. Hope has never been far away. It is just waiting for us to pick it up again. Love is not an external request, but an inner spring. It doesn't change because of external gains and losses. It flows in the heart forever. When we really learn to love ourselves, it can spread this love to the whole world. The essence of love is unconditional acceptance and care. Only when we learn to love ourselves can we truly love others.